Hello dear friends, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I will show you how to get Shopify free trial without credit card. So let's get started. First, check my video description. You will see a link. Click on this link. You will land on this page. Now simply enter your email address here. Then click on start free trial. As you can see, they mention try Shopify free, no credit card required. Okay. After putting your email, click on start free trial. Click on continue with email. Now fill up your details here. After putting your details, click on create Shopify account. Now click on escape. Click on skip all. As you can see, I have successfully got Shopify free trial without credit card. After that, you can get 3 months for just $1 a month. Okay. So guys, if you think this video was helpful, please make sure you subscribe to my channel.